Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the SLAM token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to transfer BNB from Binance over to your smart chain on Trust Wallet and then swapping that for the SLAM token. So it is very, very easy. So you guys have to follow along as I show you guys step by step how to purchase the token. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB over on your Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet, all you guys have to do is go to the first link I have in the description. It'll bring you guys over to the CoinMarketCap. And it's just going to bring you over to the CoinMarketCap page right here for the SLAM token. So all you guys have to do is go down to where it says contracts and copy that contract. Once you have the contract copied, you could exit out of here and go back over to your Trust Wallet. And you want to go to the top right of the screen where you see the two lines and the two circles and click on that. And then you just want to click on where it says search and paste that address in here. Once you guys do that, you will see the SLAM token. So you just go ahead and click on enable, and then you just want to click on done. Once you guys do that, it will then be added into your Trust Wallet. You now have to go to where it says browser on the bottom of your screen. For whatever reason, if you guys don't see browser on the bottom of your screen, you're going to have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll bring you over to the Trust Wallet website. And what's going to show you there is exactly what to do to enable your DApp browser. So to enable your DApp browser, you just want to scroll down on the website. It's going to tell you to click a link right here. Once you click that link, it's just going to open up a pop-up asking you to open it in Trust Wallet. And then it's basically just going to add the browser onto the bottom of your application. So it is very, very easy. Once you guys do that, you can go back into Trust Wallet though, and you will have your browser on the bottom. You guys can then go into your browser and head over to Pancakeswap. If this is your first time coming on Pancakeswap, you're going to have to connect your wallet. To connect your wallet, you want to go to the top of the screen where you see Connect, click on Connect, and then click on your Trust Wallet, and then it will automatically show your wallet ID in the top there. Once you guys are on the exchange screen as well, you should be on there automatically, but for whatever reason, if you're not on the exchange screen, you can go ahead and click on the 3 lines in the top, and then click on Exchange, and then you should be on this screen. Now you should see your balance in your BNB as well. If you guys, for whatever reason, don't see your balance here, you have to make sure that you transferred your BNB into the Smart Chain wallet on Trust Wallet and not the BNB wallet. If you guys did put it to the BNB wallet by mistake, just go and click on the BNB wallet, click on the dots, then just click on Swap to Smart Chain, and then it will transfer it over to your Smart Chain. It will then show it in this page here for you. But once you guys are on this page and it's showing you that you have your BNB in your balance, you can go ahead and click on Select a Currency. And you want to paste that same address that we got from the CoinMarketCap here as well. Once you guys paste that in here, it'll tell you Slam has been found by address. You want to go ahead and click on Add, and then go ahead and click on the coin. You now have to set your slippage tolerance to 12. It just makes it go through a lot quicker. And to change your slippage tolerance, you want to go over to where it has the 3 lines beside exchange. Click on that and change that to 12. Once you guys change it to 12, you get exit out of here, and all you have to decide now is how much BNB that you guys want to convert into the Slam token. So let's just say if you wanted to do 1 BNB, we'll then show you how much Slam token you'll get in exchange for the 1 BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with this price that you guys see here, you can go ahead and click on Swap where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It's just saying that because I don't have a balance in this wallet. But if you have your balance, it should tell you to swap or confirm right there. After you guys click on that, it will then show you a more broken down version of your transaction, the fees and things you'll pay, the conversion rate. So make sure you guys understand that before you guys click on confirm. But once you click on confirm, it will then send the Slam token out of here and into your main wallet on your Trust Wallet. And it should be there relatively quickly there for you. It depends on the liquidity of the token at the time. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the Slam token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.